Omenala siri ezigbo ike. Ana m akpọkụ ụmụ aja n'Igbo, ụmụ Afrịka anyị chigata n'ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ. Mgbe ọ bụla ọ dị ka asị na ihe esiri gị ike, chigata pọmpụ ochie nke ala nna gị. Ihe na-esi na nke onye akarịa pọmpụ ochie nke ala nna gị kọsara ya etu o si wee dịrị gị na ihe na-esi na nke onye akarịa ndị Igbo na-ekwu wee na-asị kedu ka o si dị gị gịnị na-akpọ nna gị na ị na-akpọ nna gị ga-anụrịrị ọrụ okwu gị ọnụ ahịhịọ gị. Ndị nna nna gị ha ga-etinyere gị aka na ahịhịọ ihe bụ mkpa gị ka ị nweta ihe ị na-achọ. Mana mgbe ị hapụrụ chi nke ndị nna nna gị ha hapụ ya ancestors wee sị na ị na-akpọ chi nke ndị ala ndị ọzọ, ọ bụrụ na ị bụ nne n'ebe na-adụ onye agụ wee na-akụ nwa gị, agụ wee na-akụ nwa n'ebe gị, kedu onye ị ga-ebu ụzọ si were binye? Ebe isiokwu ị ga-esi bubu ụzọ binye ndị mmadụ bifo isie ebinye mmadụ gị. Edu akụ osimiri mgbe ọbụla ị nọ na mkpa ịkpọkụzụ na onye nsọ nke ndị ụka anyarị ọkụ ochie nke ala nna gị, ọkụ ya ancestors nke mere isiokwu na ha ga-ebu ụzọ nụrụ arụ akwa gị maka n'ihi n'ịmụ nwa ha n'ime onye arụ ha. Mana mgbe ị hapụrụ ya ancestors nke na-akpọchi ndị ọzọ na ndị senti ndị ọzọ, nwanne ọ ga-ahapụ gị ahụ. Ọnya ka na-ewe na ma anatagoro na be nna m ya gasị Uruchi ọmadụ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, aka mbụkọ onye nke gị Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu na oraifite dị na Anambra steeti. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala tempụl. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry ọ ngalaba ịnụrụ egwu ya dị ha egwu anyị ji agbasa ọdịnala Igbo bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo egwu ịnụrụ kịta we go all the right all the 9 tracks ọ ka dịgoro n'ọdịyo abịago m n'oge awa nke eziokwu nke ọ bụ mụ nwa Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya anyị abịago oge anyị ji n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu agba ọnya ka anyị bịa now viewers all over the world as you are joining the greatest thing you can do for your friend relatives share the link let the person hear for the horse's mouth abịakwa n'oge anyị ji ata agbụ oge anyị na-eji okwu wee na-atọ ndị mmadụ agbụ isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị tata bụ division of labor among the called ones. You can call them doctor, you can call the person Dibia, EZE-ANA or EZE-ANA or prophet or evangelist or pastor. The name the person bears on earth does not count. Because here the go to we call weke. Onya ka ijibia no botita. No ga wa keju. At my new admonition was in go ta na mgbeda abụ. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-ata afụfụ maọbụ n'uche nke gị ịgbago mbọ dị iche iche ka ọnọdụ gị gbanwee mana ọ gbanwebeghị etu ị tụrụ anya never you give up. Giving up is coward act. You know why? Whatever in this present earth life, the present determines the future. So even if it takes you this present to pay up your debts for your future, please do it. I can tell you, no effort, no genuine effort you are making now will never be a waste. On why it takes you longer time for your testimony to come. It could be because of a previous entanglement and that needs to receive attention, untie them. It could be because of those debts, paying up the debts. I remember what one woman told me some days back. She took a loan from a parastatal where she's working to fulfill her dreams of owning a house. And the parastatal where she's working currently, they are removing some money, some percentage from her salary to pay up those debts. I know it's not going to be easy for her because she paid up debts and she's complaining that the leftover is not enough considering the fact that the harsh economy in the country now. Well, she's suffering now, and I'm sure that is this happiness she will bear in the future. No matter whatever, as long as you are doing the right thing, doing your echuaja and doing your alms giving, echuaja, imesaraka, kine meromona madam. Don't worry, none of such joyful activity is a waste. No, none of them. It's just because you're a human being, you don't see beyond their nose. Tough time never lasts, but tough people do last. That is my admonition this night. Before I get into na nkuzi anyị bịa n'ụbọchị taa, echefuna na aja anyị na-achụpụ ọnwa kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Ọgọst na-aga n'iru. Ọ bụrụ na isonyeghị na nke ọnwa a, ịma na ị nwere ike isonye na nke ọnwa na-abịa bụ Septemba ga-ebidokwa na Septemba 6. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ebupu ego, even that one. Today, obi aṅụrị kpara m Paramount Kuku. Yes, Obiangone Paramount Kuku testimonies. I want them 2 testimonies today. Oh, my heart full of joy. One came in the morning, very early in the morning. Why the second one came in the afternoon? They are all ladies today. For today's testimony, they are all women. One of them, sometime last year, she started following me last year. I think in Vermont. I think around either September or so. She came across my YouTube channel. She contacted me. She was like trying to tell me her predicament. I said, no, let's consult deep after that. Alpha has all the details. After that, Abasiari Alpha. Her problem, bro, no, they went so Salom. Then after I saw which are the spiritual aspect. Well, one more goes we need the young woman, no need it desperately. Because of her plans and her wish, her desire. And that is every woman, wife, every woman going to marriage has this intention of getting married and having her own child. A gladness every woman's heart. So she told me that the thing she needs desperately now is to have a child of her own. After I was all morning that there was a what's in there with prayer request actually. That prayer request became one here. So what I told her is that no problem. I gave her hope after consulting the gods. The hope was very bright. I told her that she will smile very soon. She now make a promise, telling me that if she's for anything she conceive, that she's going to kill one ram for my Ismail Ebulu. So that 24 morning, I came for Sunday worship at Otra, African traditional religion, African traditional religion, and normally known as Godian religion at Ukwedo, no, oraifite. So my phone rang, I picked it. She's the one. She's abroad, but I will not call the country. She now told me that she was sounding so happy. I said, I call her name. What's the problem? She told me that that she just took this kit, pregnant kit of 18, the one she has at home. She now checked herself and find out that she's tested positive. She was so excited. She told me that that day is Sunday, that the next day, tomorrow being Monday, that she's going to visit the hospital. That if for any reason it happens that she's actually pregnant, that she will send money for ram. like play. The next morning, being Monday, she called me that the doctor have confirmed that she's actually pregnant. Before I could know what is happening, she sent 100K for it, which we gradually tag my Ismesu and we slaughter the ram, video it and send to her, and for her to be sure that we did the sacrifice of thanksgiving to my Ismesu for coming to our aid. And the same day, she told me that, look, this Ebru she's sending now is just to tell my Ismesu working in Ugochi toward that temple, thank you. That if for any reason she carried the baby, follow that normal pregnant 9 months of a thing. Remember this thing, she told me this in around December last year. I think end of December or so. That if she carried this pregnancy at the end of the put to bed, that she's going to kill cow for my mates. So I said no problem. I told her
I consulted my husband. They told me that all is well, that she's going to put to bed safely. So that's what happened. So today, this morning, very early in the morning, she called me that look, that she's already put to bed. I said congratulations. So she was so excited. So that is how it is. So I was so excited too. Yes. So coming back home again, I went somewhere where I was retiring as in I wanted to rest. So I got another message in my WhatsApp. It happens to be another woman. This woman is abroad. She has prayer request. Her prayer request for this month of August is this: that she wanted where they are living, the house they are living in abroad, that the owner of the house want to sell the house, and for them, since they are living there, they have the option of first choice. So for them, they want to buy the property, but as it stands now, they are not that financial buoyant enough to pay up all the money required. So they pleaded for the landlord to, according to what she told me days back, they pleaded to the landlord to give them more time, at least till March next year, so that they will be able to gather all the financial muscle to be able to pay for the house. So her greatest surprise, the landlord now responded to the message they sent across to him and said, "This is August. I'm going to give you guys from this August to the next August." Even the landlord gave them more time, more than required. Gave them more time, more than what they asked for. The landlord said he's going to give them 1 year from this August to next August to make up the money and pay. Is it not a miracle? So, and I'm sure more testimonies are coming. Huh? So many of them. All my kids see them today, and you decided to share these two testimonies. Today, it happened today. Now, this yoke, I want to show you when I join at 1 So, in case September 6th, last couple 14 days, September 19th, I got here. Now, this yoke, why is you have no potita? Bon, that or all. Akawago mototumbe. Sina, no nya for all, bonya for all. Whether monya won alone, no do ibo, monalo no do ordinary. Mother monya or doctor ibo, more doctor ordinary. Monya or as a more about a way spiritualist, about a way Dibia. He also ya bonya naza, only about a way prophet, about a way evangelist, about a way Magada. Oh yeah, we're going to get prophets, or the Bunadibo, and I boy Kwama. Or one in charge, you have for Boronwe does not even count. But what I want to tell you is that this. Now, Onya Bololo remains Onya Bololo, Macano for a large Ganaturano. Nkebe Yokum, the Kenny flows from the source of power. Buchuku can keep me here. Stop giving credit to negative energy. Negative energy and what you value. However, how you use the power given to you is your own business. In metaphysics, that is what we call in metaphysics, you study how the powers works, and when negative powers and positive powers. In the spiritual realm, the power are there. Whether you tap it for good or you tap it for bad, it's your own cup of tea. Then, you face the consequence for abuse of that power. So all power belongs to him, the creator of the whole universe, the unmovable mover. That's what you know. Now, what I'm trying to tell you is this. Onye akpọrọ ọlụ bụ onye akpọrọ ọlụ. Ọ bụrụ na mmadụ na-akpọrọ mmadụ ọlụ as dibịa ọdịnala, ihe ị ga-eme bụ ichukwa agwụgị ka agwụgị ahụ, let that your gift make it away for you. Even in ancient book says, the gift of a man make it away for him. Is your talent that we put him that can be putting food on your table. Your talent will bring you out. That you are a well-known person. That we are all celebrating Toyota, Mitsubishi, call them Honda. And because of Ihame, they put their talent in use, and that their dream, they brought that their dream into the limelight. They have the acumen to assemble all the key players, and that their dream to own car manufacturing factories come to play. Whatever any man achieved today is a dream that was longed for a while. That somebody is a medical doctor today, there was a time everything is not just like a mirage. Everything is just dream. But why the person achieve it is because the person keep on the tempo, keep on longing, keep on pursuing the dreams. That is why at a certain time it materializes. Nothing just happen. You must work it out. To have a dream is one, but to pursue it to the concluding end, to pursue it to the logical end, to work it out is another thing. So everybody the work of called one. That now only every human spirit on earth is a called one. However, the level of called one differs. The level of called one differs. Akpọrọ ndị ọbụla ọlụ n'ụdị dị iche iche. Akpọrọ ndị ọbụla ọlụ n'ụdị dị iche iche. Akpọrọ ndị ọbụla ọlụ n'ụdị dị iche iche. Onye ọbụla n'ụdị ya. Onye ọbụla n'ụdị ya. Gwa unu onwe ndị akpọrọ ọlụ ka ha bụrụ the leader of their own family. Onwe ndị akpọrọ ọlụ ka ha bụrụ diọkpara na ngwurube nna. Ebu diọkpara adịrị izi. Onwe ndị akpọrọ ọlụ ka ha bụrụ aka ji ọfọ nke ngwuru. Nwee ndị akpọrọ ọlụ ka ha bụrụ aka ji akụ nke ngwuru. Maka na aka ji akụ ga na-eweta ọkụkọ na ebulu, a ga na-eburu ndị ichie. Ọ bụ edokwuno nkwa some family ụfọdụ aka ji ọfọ nkanye nwa iji aka ji akụ. Onwe ndị nwere dual position. Ọkarịa? Etu a ka ọ dị. Onwe ndị nwere dual position. Ndị nwere dual position. Na ha gbara mkpe na-abụ. Then nwezie ndị akpọrọ ka ha bụrụ ndị pụtara ihe. Onwe ndị akpọrọ ka ha bụrụ ndị pụtara ihe. Ka ha bụrụ ndị na-agba odibo wee nye imirikite ndị mmadụ beyond their own family. Ndị akwụkwọ ndị akpọrọ ọlụ. Onwe ndị akpọrọ ọlụ as evangelist. It could be ordinary evangelist, it can be ndị ụka ọbịa, but onye akpọrọ ọlụ bụ onye akpọrọ ọlụ. That is the thing. So onwe ndị akpọrọ ọlụ as medical doctor na ha na-eme n'ụdị oyibo. Nwe ndị akpọrọ ha bụ pharmacist. Example, o nwere one family had the medical doctor, didn't know within Onitsha, Anambra State as a whole. My know the doctor there because he's a popular doctor. This doctor is from Mabo the time. I can't only more too well. Man only within Ekulobia. I'm poor. I'm the name of the town, but I'm poor at the time. The money we came here. Now because I believe what they offer like that. Now only near who ojo ordinana. They show in the mother of the mefa. My daughter na demand to interchange somewhere, can we follow passion here, not sure the medical doctor. Or where's what their medical doctor, or the child school, their housemanship, or medical doctor. Even over that with medical doctor. Or when I go, oh yeah, go the preacher. To the extent now, turn them out the surprise. Including my humble self, when I'll call here. Or they didn't know. Ije ụlọ ọgwụ ya ụmụ ọgwụ ọ ga-enye gị minor medicine mana bịa etu o si ewepụta obi anabata ndị mmadụ etu ọ ga-esi wee pee tinye etu ọ ga-esi very gentleman to the core. Ọ na-atacha gị onye nwe ọgwụ asị gị ị ga-aṅụ ọgwụ a etu esi edere ya na ọ ga-adị gị mma. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na o kwuchaa ya etu ọ dịka asị na ihe na-agwọdo ọya ndị mmadụ ọya bụ etu ọ bịa fụchaa gị. Even office or why them would the child or what was seeing a pharmacy, you can go one or got digging ma. But the gas not so, no got digging my and I wouldn't demand because even the child or wondering compare all wounding. They say, can go as they go can grow my name on the can, my neighbor and neighbor. I called one who they care. When that will all look at Dibia for buy. Whether or as English medicine or native medicine. English medicine is just all about formulation. Yes, all combination of maybe chlorophyll and the rest of them combined formulate or bro. So, operator goes ready. It was according to when I call like a pharmacist. A pharmacist only go when I buy him. Combination here are second to none. I'm going to say on the internet, when you come like one Nigerian guy that developed a kind of medicine, they make away from one. So then I check wabuna. We are with the case here. Bring this composition, bring chlorophyll, bring this one. Bring antecedent and just provide them, miss this one. No, I'll get react to this thing and then use it to treat so and so bacteria or fungi. No, God, them. We are leading here. Let me give you another apple. On that will have a wonka. Also, I won't can also as you could not know when bad apple when we go smith. Now go smith. So now go smith. Then onka. Because those gold those shape any uncommon is creativity. It comes from creative mind. Notaria? It will call the and then I lose like mechanics. And one then I look out with exception. You all taro. A man was it? Then you had those but all galata. Let I go. Oh, me came some days back. Oh, well, my old can they use the Honda product or Honda CRV. But this Honda, we are name a kind of issue because I brought somebody now like I don't like it. You have an use or they are standard actually. The motor is okay, moving everywhere, but the movement I don't actually like the movement and the service I don't like it. More at the stage, the Belgian engine don't go another engine, between gear and engine, go a complete version like that, don't you? After a while, the engine, well, you come issue the previous one, because the previous one, so mechanic was like telling me that the engine, the man no need of changing the engine, but for me, I don't like issues. Both a complete engine. Version 1, version 1, I will use on me for some months. Well, almost the same issue. Because the only thing that I don't have a short man. I want my own thing where married at. Where, and then with this issue, the movement abroad tunes were choke or the other short man engineer at the standard. Now, within the mechanics around the Hemewuria, I'm sure the vehicle have attended like 4 workshops. They couldn't do it. But just a few days ago, I came across a mechanic. He told me exactly what the cause of the problem is. Now, and believe in me, that vehicle, as we speak now, are not going at the highest standard. I drove it this evening because my mechanic was like telling me that I drove it this evening, everything perfectly moved the way I want it. But this is here about 4 mechanics have tried. They don't even know exactly what is the problem with the vehicle. Maybe I've not gotten somebody that is specialized in working on that. But this one that really work on this time around gave me exactly what I want. I can all work. So anyway, could be able he does a mewuro. They couldn't even know the problem of that particular car. But this particular one, immediately the car was brought to him. After testing it, he said he knows the problem. Now tell me how much I will pay that he will fix it. And truly he fixed it. So what I'm telling you is that I can all work. So when you want to go here, barrier. Aware na your game 1 or 2. No me 1 or 2 na the had they made that motor at the amma. And no me or the amma. Eto akọ na n'ọlụ nka dị iche iche. Ọtụtụ ọlụ require nka. And o me ya o metia. Ekele ọlụ eke. Enwelu ndị ekele ọlụ dịka ndị nchụaja. Ọlụ ha bụ ịchụaja na ikwubi okwu. Pleading for mercy on behalf of other people. And once they plead, believe in me, they have a success rate, high success rate in getting results. To a case when that will all do each whether Monya will decide no garonoka, or no garonot nana. Onya or Wonya. All that you have the executors. My brother Gobido, when the no massing, when I was like my childhood, going to adolescent and everything. That time, we used to live in at that time in public compound then. Sometimes when we can now what out if we follow more any legacy, the boy they will all be waiting for me. Because they believe that none of them have let it go. One can Maria Babu. Bo and a boy in Sonia Simia Hioma. Bogaboli Simia Hioma, and they don't go let it go. I will name those things. Oh, more money has a yabo. We say Yadronia more than unless they were serious debt, serious something, a big stumbling block on Uzonia game because I received that hammer. Man, doing investigation, I make investigation. I chopped that in with something now may own Jack water. That one can be done through a man. But then I check while again, here I will make those things. we remember for the more for the himeta. It will keep running now where a psychologist more we don't want to research in them. You know the thing about that movie. Say, have you tried this? And believe in me, once you try that thing, or put that thing away, magic. Game maker can we change it. So in life, discover that your passion. Discover that your passion. We are in the 21st century. The ego of every human being now is on the rise. Because you know why? We are living in a world, the jet age. No human spirit on earth here is here for the first time. So the ego, level of ego is now very high. So he will discover what is your ego, what he have passion for. Bring it out to the social table. Are you good in writing? You are good in writing. You are good in history. You are good in counseling. Yes, let me give you an example. You're a good counselor. You are good in counseling people, right? I can tell you that your gift will start putting food on your table if you nurture it very well. And then harmonize the ego, not behind that their particular gift. Stop wasting your gift. Stop wasting your talent. Some will be telling you that they don't have a godfather. That is why it's not true. In the world we are living today, if you are good in counseling, what it takes you is this: go to Facebook, go to YouTube, but you must be determined in your life. Stop mixing up your calling with jokes. Stop mixing up your calling with fun. Stop showing unserious attitude. You cannot come to social media and you'll be talking as a loose person. You cannot come to social media because all of this were present you. How you present yourself. Some people normally come to Facebook. I'm sorry to say it, but they'll be talking about some unclean words. Example, let me cite it for example's sake. Some will be coming to Facebook, what they are ready to be talking is autonomy. I don't really get it. What do you really want to achieve? Why are you presenting yourself to the public in that manner? I know some will tell me that don't worry, don't them mad. They put those dirty words. If they put those dirty words, well, Bogota, Amara Hamala. Is it what you want to achieve in life? Is it what you want to? Is it what you want to achieve in life? They don't need such. You don't need to expose yourself in that manner. You can still be great. Those people that you see that you tell me that I know if I ask you now, you will call one person, second person that became fame on social media because of what Nam. Let me tell you one thing. It's not just because of what Nam, that's why they are fame. Yes, they are fame because they put the intensity of their gift, only that they misuse it. It's already there that they will be successful using this method. It's not because of that trash they are talking about. I can tell you, some people are talking that trash today. The same autonomy, such people talk that time, but they are not great. I can still tell you, when the people on social media, they are not talking such of those dirty words that is not supposed to be in the social media, because this Facebook we are seeing, even adolescents are watching. Some are not talking that way. They talk of something responsible, and they are still fake. So you can see that overall how dirty you talk that will give you fame. What is important, what will give you fame is the seriousness, determination, and never give up. The consistency of your hour. So what you will do first is check your resumes, arrange your hour, fortify your hour, so that your hour will be the ya ahụ nwere ike ịbụrụ connector. Onwe ha na-akpọ ka connector. One day will naturally, the agwo is agwo of, that is connecting agwo. Example, in the family, you will be careful a particular child. This particular child or a connector among the family. How you know that this your child is a connector among the family? That this your child might be the second or the third child or whatever, but he's the one that is in good terms. He has a way of making himself or herself available and become friends with other brothers. You can only from her or from him, you will know what is happening in the family, among the brothers or the siblings. He's the connector. He will be the one that connect this person, connect the other person, connect the other person. Understand? Everybody is like right around her. She has a way of making, going deep into other people's listen, and people normally rely on her or him. You understand? Even in the class, he will still be the one that will be like a bridge builder. He connect this one. It's gift. You that doesn't have the gift, if they try to do it, you will not succeed. But he knew how we normally get in contact with other people, and the other people will still agree with her. That is her gift. Some have the gift of counseling. Some have the gift of talking. Some have the gift of even dreaming. Let me tell you an example. Have you ever asked yourself, why is it even Joseph the dreamer? Ordinary dream interpretation now gave him fame. Do you get? Ordinary interpreting dreams that he used to. She found out that he had this gift of interpreting dreams. Even when he was a prisoner, inside the prison, he kept analyzing dreams for people. To the extent that one of the prisoner dreamt, started dreaming. He shared the dream with story with Joseph, and Joseph now told him that soon he will be released from prison. Sorry. After saying that, not long enough, that particular guy was released in the prison. And when Pharaoh had this dream of returning, he said, Pharaoh, I'm a Mophonia. I know somebody in the prison. I met him there. His name is Joseph. He can tell you the meaning of this dream. That is the reason, just from grace to grace. Let me give you an example. Few days ago, it was the news was everywhere that an industrialist named Endos Motors, Mr. Chukuma, Innocent Chukuma, gave out a brand new SUV Jeep with a promise attached to it, salary for life, for a man that gave him prophecy many years ago. According to him, what I heard over the news is that This man that gave him that prophecy, I can tell you, see what your gift can do for you? Yes, I can tell you every gift can lift you. Don't stop belittling that small gift you have. Your gift might be on your hand. Your gift might be you see vision. Let me use this innocent own as an example, as a yardstick. This young man saw innocent years back when he is not rich then. Just upcoming person. And he prophesied, he told the innocent that he saw him as that he will be a rich man. He saw him owning a car manufacturing company. According to the story, at that point in time, Innocent has not been to motor of a thing. Like play. Innocent venture into motorcycle stuff. He still went to Innocent that, look, it's not motorcycle I saw. What I saw is motor manufacturer. That one day will come that you will be a first manufacturer of car and that even sell his car beyond Nigerian shops. And according to that story, Innocent laughed it over. And today what happened? Innocent is a manufacturer of assorted cars and SUVs. To the extent that some African countries normally buy from him. Do you get? Now Innocent now remember that there was a man that prophesied about this many years ago, and they now call him. So kudos to Mr. Innocent Chukuma. Innocent Chukuma. Popularly known as Innocent. At least for him to honor that person that do the same thing. But believe in me, before the Innocent, I was already giving the person such gift. Believe in me, the spiritual realm have already destined that this man will be honored. Because if that gift, what he received now, is not ordained for the spiritual realm, believe in me, Innocent will not even remember him. But more has a way of touching him to remember. Yes, you remember this man that prophesied to you many years ago. You have to honor him. That is too much alone. That's how the spirit works. So that's their little gift. Some may have a gift of writing. He can write. Okay, look at our own Chimamanda Adichie. Look at our own professor, late Professor Chinua Achebe. Is he not storyline? The things fall apart. That gave him so fame, has money. The book has been into many world languages, including Portuguese, Spanish, French, and so on and so forth. English, and so on and so on. You get just a storyline. You, as you are listening to me, your passion might be writing scripts, writing as a journal, and also whatever that is your gift. You have gift of writing, right? Like Chimamanda Adichie, right? I'm proud of her so much because she made us proud. You as a person, as you are looking at me now, go to your Facebook, utilize your data very well. Some of these people you are seeing on social media hustling. Some of them are there to hustle. In the sense of maybe wearing some good pictures and whatever. For there is their own hustle. But I normally tell people that if you see somebody that is showing nakedness and the person is making money, believe in me, it's not because of that nakedness. But the thing is that the destiny, the hour, have already aligned it that this person will count in millions. That is why the hour will even attract such people that will give her that millions. It's not because of her nudeness. Because that nude picture and that nakedness and that wayward life she's living, there's other people that is highly sophisticated, people that are more prettier than her, that are into that, but not shishi. They're gonna be able to have on that. So sometimes, but one thing that you will know about Agu, that Agu leading you after a while, that's your gift, that's your division of labor. After leading you for a while, then in will Agu now will cook your home. But at a while, Obruna may not show that Agu, that's your power will start going down. Believe in me. One of them, what shall I call Harry Poneme, Hadebido ministry, which I teach today. Their ministry can get where they're flat. And it will never rise until you go back and make peace with your Agu. You know what I mean? Agu was leading you as an infant. But at the stage, Agu was saying, this guy, this woman is old enough to know what's supposed to do. They now withdraw that their support. You know what I mean? That's why they are caught. So what I'm telling you is this. Esina no nya na eme ihe ọjọọ imewe. No. These things are not the same. Imagine how you got a passion for. Create a Facebook page. Forget about people that is showing their nakedness on Twitter because the matter of so you get able somebody with a passion for writing script. Keep writing script. Somebody with a passion for making comedies. Please keep doing it. Only with a passion for writing journals and everything, writing books. Keep doing it. One day, as long as you one after why taking up your passion, make sure you arrange your agwo, harmonize with your agwo and the chukwa agwo. Can go back here, that's your gift. Let that your gift keep making ways for you. Because the ancient book says, the gift of a man maketh a way for him. So carry your agua along to back that your dreams. So that your dreams will come to pass. Okay? Ekele ọlụ eke. Esikwana ka imewe nke a na onye a na-eme. Akara aka niile abụrụ ofu. That one ị gwara ya, I cite goro some examples. That one ọwa akara aka gị na-efi not too small. Can change life. Enwere ndị agboro ọrụ ikwubiri mmadụ okwu. Etu a enwere ike akpọ gị dịka dibia. Akpọ gị efu na dibia nke a na akara aka ya bụ ịgwọ ọgwụ. Esi ka ije gwawa ọgwụ. Ọ mee fevọ gị. O nwere ike ọgwụ nke ọ dị ele mana ịgwọ nke ọ meele. Reason bụ na o nwere ndị chi ha nabatara ọgwụ, nwee ndị chi ha nabatara ọgwụ. And them are war because from the one I detest it. I believe in the elu kubi chuaja. Mafa, I can believe on ya. Mbasia for more we him my jam major to put more. The Korean to charge will be at it. Say them mad for a miracle. Remember, Manobro no, can you go? He put an eyes and mad no. Mane were on the all with heaven all why I know. O nwere ndị agboro ọrụ dịka ndị dibia ndị na-agwọ ọgwụ. O nwere ndị ọgwụ ọrụ ha bụ isi ọgwụ nye nwaanyị na di na nwunye na-achọ nwa. Before ha esiere utu galọn ọgwụ ndị na nwunye na-achọ nwa, onwe ihe dị wrong n'afọ ha ọ dị mma. Ọgwa nnọọ nke na ha na-achọ nwa enwere something dị wrong medically. Osi ọgwụ correct ya. Ọgwa nnọọ nke mmụọ tiri aka o je chụọ aja yọtuo mmụọ ewepụ aka nwaanyị a atụ ime. Enwere ndị agbara ọrụ nke abụrụ ịgba ọkpụkpụ. Nwee ndị enwere nke ọ bụrụ ịtụ alụ. Nwee ndị enyere nke ikwubi okwu. Ekere ọrụ eke. Stick to your lane. Ọ bụkwa nnọọ ọrụ aka ka ị nwere. Nke ọ bụ na awụ nke ị na-enye passion. That is your calling. Do it with joy. Don't be envying another person or try to be like another person. No, akara aka niile abụrụ ofu. I na-eme nke ị na-eme chukwu agwụ gị. I can tell you no when this na nke anyị na-eme bụ nnukwu ọgaranya. Ị mara. Emechara m wee marụ na common mechanic. Aha ya bụ Odion. Onye ọdọ na-asị Abuja ya ma onye nnekwu. Aha ya bụ Odion. He used to stay in Zuba. Ebe a na-akpọ Zuba na Abuja. Ebe a na-ere new motor spare parts. When I was in Abuja, my car then, when we injector problem, I went to spare parts, spare parts, to ask for people, please, who is the best mechanic that works injector engines? This person mentioned his name, Odion, is from Edo State. I went to another line, asked people again, they mentioned the same. I went to 3 shops, 3 different shops from 3 different lines. They mentioned the same name. I took my car to that place. After diagnosing the scene with their computer, he now gave me a price that if I can pay this amount, that they will fix this vehicle, that this thing will stop. Believe in me, I agreed. They signed one of his boys to the vehicle. Within some hours, my vehicle came back to life. This guy in Nagwagi, everyone will workshop as at that time in Abuja, carried 2 plots of vehicles everywhere. This guy goes home with more than 50 to 100,000 daily. If you work as carried 10, if you go secretary na Afmaga, assign you go near Mego Rojana, what be as Mego this man Jan every day, as well less than 50 to 100,000 every day. Tambo for a career. And not check while gave on a common mechanic. It's not as if no automobile engineering. No, just roadside mechanic. Man, anything concerning your injector vehicle is having issue, go to Ogbuefi. Is it not how good? Now, why you say when I have made all the guys no me I say, okay, Oga, you cannot go with your car today, tomorrow. I'll be out tomorrow. Yes, I'm here today. So, okay, my boy, Gamenka, how many mutaswa? Oh, see, you can have ya. Yeah, wow. So, I'm going to go to a mechanic. It's not mechanic, but a man. Makara to those of us. Since I also did teach a weapon man. When this new, they are not even graduates. My will make a name happy. One name, one to the other before you know it. So here in Babu, go on now you are calling. Be serious with it. Don't joke with it. Yeah, guys, here. Now to go can keep me here. You want to join Ankuzi, I could tar. But no one you open an abo do I know that I need more for nature. Kabala family. Send the other message in WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. 0805 78 37 672. Now to work and keep me here in only can in the Sinaki Abia. Equamo Pungosin is in and any friends and well wishers all over the globe. They don't are east, they don't are west, they don't are north, they don't are south. Say, Kehoma Bido Memerono. Kihoma Boko no Naka Mado. Go Naka. Let miracle begin to happen. Let there be liberation. Let there be upliftment. Let there be favor. Let there be miracle. I can't keep it. Niho Huge Merono. Niho Bonabo Ogbuefi. Amabo Ogbuefi. No zone. Distance Amabo Ogbuefi. Ezuo Kamabo Ogbuefi. Makana yoro na aha Chukwu oke nke pụrụ ime ihe niile onye ike niile si n'aka ya bịa. Ise ka ọ dịkwanụ echi niile anyị jikwa tọpik anyị ga-edigwa bịa echi. Nọnyere anyị n'oge awa n'echi tomorrow bụ afọ. Echefukwala na ihe ọbụla na-agbagwoju anya n'ọdịnala Igbo, sendịara anyị meseji na WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. Ka emesịa na anyị werekwa na egwu anyị ga-emechi.
Where
I don't believe it. I can say no.